Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and as you can see, I have a new package here from Madam Glam. So first off, shout out to Madam Glam for sending this over to me, and if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone, and feel free to leave me a comment at the end. Okay, 6 gel polishes from Madam Glam, and now as you can see, if you look real close, 4 of them are cat eye. Oh, I love me some cat eye. So this particular collection is part of Secret Garden collection, which has 14 new soak off gels. Yes, that's pastel yellow. Oh, it's called Sunshine Love. That's such a happy, beautiful springtime, summertime color. Very positive. Let's get into the first of many cat eye gels. Okay. So as you can see by the color on the top, looks like this is like a gold tone, beigey cat eye. So let's see. Look at now that is pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have fun with these. Y'all, I love cat eye gels. I love them. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy cat eyes as well, either using them or just looking at them on other people's nails. Okay, so this one is like a pastel-y baby blue. Oh, before we even get to that, this is called Bedazzle. It's definitely bedazzling. Looking at all those sparkles in there, shimmers and sparkles. Okay, so we have this one, which is blue, and let's see what it's called. It's called April Showers, because yeah, I know for a fact, especially here in Pacific Northwest, April showers is definitely going to be showering. Ooh, that is pretty. Ooh, I cannot wait. And y'all, these are cat eyes, so I'm about to have fun. Okay, so green. Yes, green. Let's see what this one. Oh, this. Oh, yeah. This is. I do not have a color like this, and this is cat eye too. Look at that. What is this one called? So pretty. Lime Flash. Oh, interesting. Last but not least, this one here. Yeah, it looks like it got a purple tone to it. My color. And what is, let's see. So happy, y'all. All that was missing in my cat eye collection so far was a purple cat eye, and I'm so happy that I have one now. Oh, I cannot wait to try it. Okay, and this one's called Heavenly. Now if that name don't fit, that name fits. Oh my goodness, Heavenly. That's how I'm feeling right now with these colors here. So I have 5 different colors here. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them out, and then we're going to go ahead and get into today's nail set. Oh, I'm so excited. Let me know if you're excited for this collection. I would make sure you go ahead and check out Madam Glam. Make sure you check out my affiliate link down in the description box, as well as my discount code. You do want to go ahead and take advantage of that if you would like, because that is 30%. You know, if you're already a VIP, then you already get 50% off, so you're good. But if you're not a VIP, I'm telling you, every bit of savings you can get is worth it. Let me go ahead and try these out, and let's see what these are talking about on my nails. Now you do want to remember that I only have 5 of the new gels from that collection, and remember, this is a larger collection, one of the largest they've come out with at one time for a long time. So you see those colors, and you see I'm swatching them. As always, this is a HEMA-free formula. It is also vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free, and palm oil free. Okay, so there goes all 5 colors that I have here. The cream polish, that is 2 coats, and the cat eyes only have 1 coat. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the black and white that I have from Madam Glam, Perfect Black, and then the white shade that I have here is called Riverwalk. Okay, I'm not going to talk too much more. I just want to say, you may be wondering, if you didn't watch my previous video, you may be wondering, why is my nails kind of already done? Well, this is part 2 to that video. So my base for this is already done with builder gel, encapsulating gold foil flakes. Okay, so that's the base. And what I'm doing now is, of course, now that I have these beautiful gels from Madam Glam, I'm going to go ahead and do my design. So I'm going to go ahead and be quiet. We're going to cut on some music for a little bit here. And if you made it to this part of the video, in the comments, let me know of the screenshots I've shown you of Madam Glam's website, which color is your favorite? Okay, there we have it. I am all done. Go ahead and put on some of this Nourish Me from Madam Glam to get these nasty cuticles together, and we are done. Now, as you see, today's set is these Eclectic 3D cat eye flower nails featuring the Secret Garden collection from Madam Glam. Go check out that collection. It's 14 different colors. 14 colors that include cream, cat eye, and 2 new top coats. And thank me later. Other than that, roses, I'll talk to you later. Bye.